Utie Oha Echi Ponkno Needs FM.
Ena otene ne no. Yakinka message kakra. Na fe no kwasi kwa atemra of the MPP. I say good afternoon Adakabre. Tell those who are saying that you are campaigning for yourself that everyone chop for his website. It is one of the benefits. It is one of the benefits of being the host. They expect you to give them the platform to campaign, but you can't say anything about your party. And I'm say, my brother IQCU. MPP people were expecting number 4 on the ballot so that to suit their 4 more for Nana slogan. But thank God they are rather number 1, which is not good for any party in government. Meshek Asante at Abusukai and Ode Ebaye. Adakabre. As a vice presidential candidate, instead of you to go and help your presidential candidate and go to campaign, you are doing interview with Yo-Yo party. Hey, man, we are doing a more share. What to be? I have 10 Mitsubishi pickups. Are you ready?
Team Niyajuma.
Just a 10 Mitsubishi pickups. I can't drive a family name. I can't drive a family name. I can't run away.
Also, Mitsubishi Power. Why is the secret?
Number we need to know.
I told you that you will be there. I see that you need CFO for na every moment. CFO for na cry Mitsubishi mine. What ya na? Mitsubishi na idea. Sanya Pajero na Shogun. And you Shogun na L200. Inti right. Kwasi. Remwe na messages.
Minya CPP Gazano.
What should we expect Nanado, as you say, 4 more to do more?
Of my basso. Now, I'm saying, o make some normal about community as a maker. Minya, you can say.
Bonnie and a bonny party.
Oh, so CPP no.
Your friend Benjamin is here.
I'm saying,
Of the CPP.
I'm a friend of Fiancia.
Am I fiancé?
And Tinian chain. Now, another NDC Juman Wabe. But
no, that's an unfortunate statement. That's an unfortunate statement.
No,
unfortunate statement. I'm in opposition. I'm some person me boomai. So correct your statement. No, correct. No, it's an unfortunate statement.
So what can be to say?
Me near because of NDC.
What can be to say? President Akufo-Addo for employ money now. Unchi almost senator. And two parties say. So much as he in teachers or who to me.
No, I made reference to the people you said. I made reference to NAPCO and I made
a former sector for
former sector 700. And I make
a teachers in him, doctors in nurses in him, police in him. And I enjoy almost in the community.
I mean, download this Senate amount and reflect.
I don't know what you when you say database.
I have He's not repeat that here.
No, blank statement keke say what NDC for mama or the bibia so the she say or no what me approve a point no wait me disprove or say
there's no
what statement to say President entria Senate.
I mean how?
And teachers come. Do you have anything to rebut?
Okay, so this is a Senate report. Senate report on HRO Omoa no more so prior to 2016 and no more mabeka prior to 2016 1.3 million plus and also and I no ka say you will say 1.6 million plus and
it just say
300,000 and abeka and I wotina ha e ka kire me say aban I employ former sector me nka say napco former sector no aban I employ 780 something thousand what a grant says 780 something now omu 300 na akoka because private sector so ka but the private sector no any former government employed persons nuboma almost 1 million a year because one is 786 one is 200 no me for 2 million because 200 or the plenty of food and
2 million amount breakdown
and a breakdown and person establishes a breakdown in here
but the time na the kasa no you
786,000 so push me in and also back 226
that na baby no push you in
and I push me in and I make correct you and I make at say in before 2016 no
do you still maintain say Nana Akufo-Addo entia Senate.
Senate based on the figures away the mama.
Okay.
If the figures are right,
if the figures are right here, now on Senate. But then if we are to believe what Senate is saying there, now on no figures near
wrong.
Now you more Senate. And I said to no be on Senate payroll. Oh, now one will be on Senate payroll. As my mentor say, and go for Kutu as a president in Bamba. Was the president in NGO more Senate? I know say, Omo Kutu into the formal sector, teachers womb, doctors womb. Nurses wom police for de wom and we are sure say aban ntwa police for recruit to a senator komunye dede aban weba aban ntwa doctors and senator komunye dede nurses are no motive aban ba recruit to no ntwa senator komunye dede asema na wo ka no afa so say offend say fact me ba what say factories Akufo-Addo I 79 factories 76 what they granted kwa say 76 yeah ade kan about one district one factory no private public partnership. This is a buying ne ankrankwa na ye ye will be various stages of completion. Ebi so ye de ye wi, ebi so ye ongoing. But unya buying we team aba now within a space of 4 years. Ne normal wo kan nyina we team majority of them. No catch us buy factories. We team a number of them. No catch us say some are at various stages of completion. E dey bon e be na ba na ye. Nti we sure so obi aba no ko bi team ye even 50 of them. Obi aba na o team ye 50 of them akomani ke unemployment issue nya ke solve. Me patcho. O kasa me team aba but me yedin. O say one village one dam. I feel you are condemning one village one dam. One village one dam is not a bad policy. Penny. Oh no, obi research no. Every research is subject to interrogations. And of course other people can raise other researches. I bet debunk some of the claims or the findings that they are making. To obi or no one off no. No for only one planting season because of one village, one dam into Obenya, two planting seasons because anytime you own so the bay irrigation. Oh no, sir report no nya some no you. Adi ono dwene so Obenya nso abrebia no tim dey na adwuma na wonya no baya dey adua na afi ne nwuma ye dey akoso. Oh, credibility issue. I mean, I don't really want to go there because credibility issue now pivot of the case you say excavators na one winning. Galamsey asema ye ken say bi obi nka say Galamsey no problem. Fitinanti ko ho na Galamsey asema ye issue o man mo. It took only President Akufo-Addo no nya the zeal, the commitment, the passion so be fight Galamsey no. Na Galamsey issue no say bi so obi tibia mi kuro mu asante achem dom no bi o hye akura bi ase na o ye na o man na nkasa no we all don't support the government to fight the better we need fight mo. Right from day one, I can't say fight Galamsey fight. You had then this your discrediting process na pekwembia to run down the fight against Galamsey. But the fight wasn't an event. It was a process. There were successes, there were challenges. But some of the successes, outweigh the challenges. Because now researchers in the publications about just say, yes, so na bebre ni ate. Unlike before, they say so Galamsey no is regulating na ebo. And we are not saying say Galamsey fight we na you winning ultimately. But what we did was progressive. Of course, what we need is that we will really support to be under the M1. But we go for excavator. What was the president's response? That excavators and people have brought it back. And you don't make a case to say Obi Kodi Bonia now binary react, now president react, now the Nipano we bring the person to order. Charles Bishop Yamana resign investigation here then also. And you know say so Obi Bonia let us say we are blaming John Mahama or we are blaming who? Me pato mami influence na me nko friend say your promises subsequently in the 2020
Airbus, you mentioned John Mahama.
No, but Airbus the court implicated him.
Which court?
The court implicated him.
Yeah, which court?
Oh my man kasana be this say me try na me call. Oh me say Airbus the government officer one na hwan. Oh yeah, calculation ni be esi papa no so government officer one no hear.
Calculation.
And then me can we figure government officer one na John Mahama. Asem na kan. Ni nua Samuel Mahama no mo dey. But mama nko asem of abusa ye no so. Of Abuja said at the end of the person going for it. Of
should we expect in the second 4 years?
Of I said the end of continuation. And normal I promise ya intimate.
I couldn't say to us also continuation.
Say
it's a back
yeah, but say 2 minutes
continuation.
Yeah, but say 2 minutes for Ghana for. Maybe I do near by day. You bet me actual the yeah so. And do you be the education sector? Say no kwara no mo call free SHS no. Say enrollment increase by over 40%. Say at least 1.2 million school children on Moko school no. Ye nya o mokwa. Abane say o dey ban say say bi nkora on be wi school yi bebre be na adwon say bi o kwota share education. But no obi na ebo wo sika obetimi dia kwota share education no. ndi wa untimi unya sika na aba ne hye ne say ade obeya ma ne so odi bibi we friend the guarantor system ne say so first no guarantor system ndi de be say ukwa kwaje bosia ndu kwaje bosia wa ban ne ho student loan ye enim ya but this time around unhia guarantee bia na guarantor bia de obeya ne say obetam YD card which is the NIA card no now they come aban wo de kwa ne a kire say asemesi na obentin fie na mfie dodo abese oku school no aban be hwe uwi a ebe ma 1 year probation unya dwuma na afi asase ayede atetew we na aban ne person ode yeba in terms of education sector afi so no aban wohwe double track here na which was fan say it was an innovative way na dey respond to the free SHS implementation na and also say bebre aban gu so aban asase asad na aban is over 1,000 dormitories aban dey remove the free SHS gradually but so aban asa promise say infrastructure facilities no be expanded with regards to say the bear within a space of 5 to 7 years no you bet me double track na dey every one afi no will reverse back to our normal school na but it is instructive to know say even as at now no out of 721 schools no anyom nya na double track around 400 pen set double track as which means over 300 normal school moko ekoda bibia esu ade normal double track as but even with 400 me no kasa ya dey school be bra free double track na dey ase and also abangu so within 4 years am betrama aban so obewie eno so nyina of am fa nko be dey health so here yes set agenda be president set agenda be say agenda 111 na ni na say president so be see 101 district hospitals that is districts are in new hospitals na so more hospitals na chen kran no president so be see new hospitals wo be bia and I recently see critics new regions so okay regions are the natural expectations every region be a new region be comes with development abandon so be see new regional hospitals it was CS new region so but maybe the western regions you know also was the one new regional hospital that be there ebe more na efian kwanta no they rehabilitate psychiatric hospitals abibia make us something in this for ntimi so omon capture on manifesto but about health so psychiatric so no aban say obesity two new psychiatric hospitals there of course the whole way there have been several works aban there so and also basically 3 new infectious disease but I think the most important thing be the national health insurance policy na ye kan ho ansem no ya na de buy na aban bi buy ultimate so promise say ko be na one time premium yanguhu de ekugu because no insurance policy be any who abetimaka say what the ba obi twa once eno ano no nti na enye feasible it wasn't a well thought through policy but omu promise because insurance survive on say obi twa na dey show bi ofa bi a wo betwa there 10 years kwa na nko hospital da baby amena na bana kwadu asante achem dome ono no ebi anytime bia ni sisi ana ne kotojo ye dey ene ya nti sa na wo nko o de na de be dey ebe no but ye nya ndc apart from some discredit working out on parliament by passing insurance bill into act no omo sa promise na ya atrosem say omo bomb be making one time premium but omo ba ya asata ma omo leave office no ye hu say ha na insurance na dey ewiki to the extent say Christian missionary hospitals na most of them were denying the insurance card nti President by Abishemukena, but right now what we are saying is we are going to expand the scope. Yeah, expand the scope now, not necessarily say expand the keke say nipa mrem. Yes, nipa ebebem ye can scope na, but ya really be wo ha na fall under basic healthcare ni adona. Ebe di bebrebe de kwa question so de be ya ankwa kwa obi ahụ be de ebe tono. That's what we are also promising under health. Uko be dey said dan ya can say one of the biggest problem as my you pay very much attention ye rent. Because so here rent and mortgage system na bad and one of the laws as a country intimi enforce so one of them the rent laws na because emranama say ka obi enu ha if you be en hoje dan bia 6 months more than 6 months but intimi enforce as I mean regardless of the party in power but abai say o dey ban say so your school ni we youth we you school person o adwuma aban dey aban be ma on say dan bia person o ha bia o hwe salary so of course say sense bia ewo ni mu aso ndi we hwe salary so say bia wo ye napco na efa say bia wo je 700 na say bia wo ye adwuma bi na je 1000 to aban ne say dan no kwa kopa ye de aba no aban na ko guarantee atwa aban ne betwa ma fewura no bosome nsia bia na wo no ha the year say da wanim no inse say ka ba wo kopa bia 50,000 na say bia 20,000 na bia 10,000 na 5,000 dia ma efewura no aban ne say wo ye adwuma nya no betwa ne nkakra ye de ama efewura no atetew kakra nkra say de be ya wonhu say de be ya sa problem with housing and rent no say be de e be free nti wunya ban a we nyina and what's I declare year of rules, especially in 2020, our cutting so many sources, and not only sword cutting, but when you're funding for it, most of the rules, construct here, we hope say within the next some few months next year we na abana ye bi say
right. Percy Quarting of the NPP.
Utie Oha Extreme Punk no Needs FM.